Hi, it's me, Crystal from Simply Tidy, and today we're going to talk about how to keep your kitchen clutter-free. The kitchen is the heart of your home, so if it feels comfortable to you, then your whole home will feel more comfortable as well. The very first step of keeping your kitchen clean is to keep your dishes put away. Now, I just keep mine in my dishwasher at all times. As soon as we're done eating, the dishes go straight into the dishwasher. They can sit there for 2 or 3 days even, and they'll still come out clean and fine. The second thing is, we don't want a super cluttered fridge. I have a few things up there, yes. But mostly, I keep the kids' artwork taped to the inside of the cupboard doors. And we get into the pantry often enough that we get to see them on a regular basis. Another thing that I sometimes tape up here, which is not here now, is the school lunch calendar. And I also will tape a little Ziploc bag here, and that's where we keep our box tops. We just barely took ours to the school though, so we don't have them there right now. Another step to keeping your kitchen uncluttered is to hide your appliances that you don't need to use very often. So some of that stuff, like the toaster, we probably use it every day, but it's not that hard to get it out and put it back away. Keeping your kitchen clutter-free has a little bit to do with making sure that you've got your mail and your homework taken care of correctly. Your kids' homework should only come out of their backpacks when they're actually doing their homework, and then it needs to go back in their backpacks, and you should have a place to hang your backpacks that makes sense. Mail, we kind of have touched on a little bit when we talked about filing, but your mail shouldn't be in your kitchen. You should have a mail station somewhere like an office. Maybe you do have a little desk area in your kitchen that you use for mail sorting, and that's fine, but that needs to be kept clean and organized so that your kitchen seems cleaner and more sanitary. Well, that was a short video, and I'm sure I've missed some things. If you would like to leave a comment and let me know what problems you have keeping your kitchen clutter-free, I can get back with you and see if I can help you fix it. If you learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.